What if I told you that a tiny seed could be your secret weapon for muscle building, weight management, and overall vitality? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, we're unlocking the full potential of chia seeds, one of nature's most underrated superfoods. 8 ways to maximize protein from chia seeds. 1. Grind them for maximum absorption. Grinding chia seeds increases their surface area, making it easier for your body to absorb the nutrients. Pro tip: grind your chia seeds fresh to preserve their nutritional integrity. 2. Soak and gel. Soaking chia seeds in water transforms them into a gel-like consistency, which can be used as an egg substitute in vegan baking or as a thickener in smoothies and sauces. Pro tip: to make chia gel, mix 1/3 cup of chia seeds with 2 cups of warm water and let it sit until it thickens. 3. Combine with protein-rich foods. Pair chia seeds with other protein-rich foods like Greek yogurt, nuts, or seeds to create a balanced and protein-packed meal. Pro tip: mix chia seeds into your morning yogurt for an extra protein boost. 4. Add to protein shakes. Mix chia seeds into your post-workout protein shake for an extra boost of protein and fiber. Pro tip: let the chia seeds sit in the shake for a few minutes to absorb some liquid and enhance the texture. 5. Use in baking. Incorporate chia seeds into your baking recipes. They add a nice crunch and boost the fiber content. Chia seeds can also be used as an egg substitute in vegan baking. Pro tip: mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 2.5 tablespoons of water. Let it sit for a few minutes and use it as you would an egg. 6. Make chia jam. Combine mashed fruits with chia seeds to create a healthy homemade jam. Let it sit for about an hour to thicken, and use it as a spread on toast, yogurt, or oatmeal. Pro tip: use ripe, sweet fruits to minimize the need for added sweeteners. 7. Add to soups and stews. Stir chia seeds into soups and stews as a thickening agent. They will absorb some of the liquid, adding thickness and a nutritional boost without altering the flavor. Pro tip: add chia seeds towards the end of cooking to maintain their texture and nutritional value. 8. Make energy bars. Combine chia seeds with oats, nuts, and a binding agent like honey or nut butter to make homemade energy bars. These make for a convenient, healthy snack. Pro tip: press the mixture firmly into the pan to ensure the bars hold together well. Creative ways to incorporate chia seeds. 1 chia pudding mix. Chia seeds with your choice of milk, dairy, or plant-based, and let it sit in the fridge overnight. Top with fruits, nuts, or granola for a delicious protein-packed breakfast or snack too. Smoothie booster. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds to your smoothie for an extra boost of protein, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids. The seeds will absorb liquid and give your smoothie a thicker consistency. 3. Yogurt parfait layer. Chia pudding with Greek yogurt and fresh fruit to create a delicious and nutritious parfait. Add a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of nuts for extra flavor and crunch. 4. Salad topping. Sprinkle chia seeds on top of your salads to enhance the nutritional content. They add a pleasant crunch without altering the taste of the salad. 5. Homemade granola mix. Chia seeds into your homemade granola recipe before baking. The seeds will add a nutty flavor and boost the nutritional profile of your granola. 6. Energy bites. Combine chia seeds with ingredients like nut butter, rolled oats, honey, and dark chocolate chips. Form the mixture into small bites and refrigerate until firm. These make for a convenient and nutritious snack. Why chia seeds are a game changer. Chia seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition. Just a single ounce delivers 4.7 grams of protein, 9.8 grams of fiber, and 5 grams of heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. They're also rich in essential minerals. So, whether you're grinding them, soaking them, or baking with them, chia seeds offer endless possibilities to enhance your nutrition. They're not just a trend. They're a game changer for boosting your protein intake, improving digestion, and supporting heart health. Now, you know exactly how to make chia seeds a part of your everyday meals, whether it's a smoothie, energy bar, or even a homemade jam. So what are you waiting for? Start incorporating chia seeds into your routine and unlock their full potential. For more delicious tips and healthy hacks, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for all things wellness. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep thriving.